Did you know at Rock Rose Film we carry a product called Clear Armor that protects your front windshield from any cracks, chips, or scratches? And the awesome thing is, it only takes 20 minutes to install. Let's go see how fast it is. To apply Clear Armor to your windshield, begin by cleaning the front of your windshield with a neutral, non-ammonia based window cleaner. Use a razor blade to remove any debris from the windshield, followed by a microfiber cloth to wipe away the window cleaner and any remaining debris. If necessary, use a razor to clean debris under the gasket. Next, cut your film roughly to the size of your front windshield. Remove one of the 3 layers, which is the release liner. As you pull back the release liner, spray your slip solution onto the film. Spray your windshield with slip solution as well. Then lay your Clear Armor onto the glass, positioning it close to where you think is best. After placing the Clear Armor, pull back the second layer, the protective liner. Use a squeegee to tack down the Clear Armor and mold it to the windshield. Trim the excess film with a stainless steel knife, leaving enough to ensure a rough, correct size. Use your squeegee to lay down the edges of the film. Once the edges are secured, remove all the excess film with the knife. Due to the film's thickness, it may be harder to cut. Rock Rose recommends placing your finger in front of the razor blade to lay down the film before the knife reaches the cutting point, allowing for cleaner cuts and an easier cutting experience. For final adjustments, use a squeegee with a thinner blade to lay the edges or tuck the film, ensuring you leave an inch of space between the end of the glass and the film. Depending on the weather, you may need to use steam or boiling hot water to remove fingers or mold the film to the window. We recommend using steam in winter weather, while in hot climates, no steam or hot water may be needed. Gently apply the steam to the film and use a squeegee to mold it, applying more steam to stubborn areas. Once all the steps are complete, use steam or a neutral-based cleaner without ammonia to wipe clean, or you can use your slip solution. Rock Rose has a proprietary solution we recommend using to reduce friction between your wiper blades and Clear Armor. This will minimize scratching between wipers and the film. Apply the solution to your wiper blades and use a microfiber towel to rub the mixture into the blades, ensuring full absorption of the friction-reducing solution. This concludes Rock Rose Clear Armor quick installation under 20 minutes.